In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with your coding journey, being able to effectively open and manage your projects in Visual Studio Code can significantly enhance your workflow. So, let's dive right in. First, ensure that you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. If you haven't yet downloaded it, I'd recommend visiting the official Visual Studio Code website and following the installation instructions for your operating system. It's an excellent tool that supports various programming languages and is equipped with a multitude of extensions to make your development process smooth. Now that you have it installed, let's go ahead and open Visual Studio Code. Find the Visual Studio Code icon either on your desktop or in your Start menu and click on it to launch the program. Visual Studio Code should open its clean and sleek interface, and you should see a welcome page that provides several options and tips. Next, you'll want to open a specific project folder from GitHub that you've either cloned to your computer or download it as a zip file. If you haven't downloaded your project onto your local machine yet, do so now in order to proceed with these steps. With Visual Studio Code open, take a look at the top menu bar and locate the File menu option. Go ahead and click on File. From there, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options related to file management within VS Code. To begin working with your GitHub project, we're interested in opening a folder that contains your project files. So, move your cursor down to Open Folder and click on it. A system dialog box will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer's file system. Navigate through your directories to find the specific folder that contains your GitHub project. This is the directory where all your project files are stored, and it should generally include directories and files you recognize from your GitHub repository, such as README files, source code folders, or configuration files. Once you've located the folder, click on it to select it. This step is crucial as it ensures you're working with the right set of files. With your project folder selected, move your focus to the Selection button, typically labeled Select Folder or Open. Click it, and Visual Studio Code will begin loading your project. You might notice new panels or tabs opening within the interface as the system loads your files and sets the environment. Once your project is loaded, you can begin exploring your code. Manage your files from the sidebar, utilize integrated terminal features, and take advantage of VS Code's powerful debugging, version control, and extension capabilities. And that's it. You've successfully opened a GitHub project in Visual Studio Code, setting yourself up to dive into coding more easily and efficiently.